take the measure of my mobile phone, and then I'll start with a magic loop, and I'll chain a number 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 15. I'm gonna check if it fits. So one more chain. I need the case to be tight, so I won't make it large. I will make the exact number. So 16 is good. Now in the second chain from the hook, I will start with a half double crochet and 1 half double crochet in every chain till the end. So here I'm at the last chain. I will make 2 half double crochet. So 1 and the second one in the same chain. And now I'll turn the opposite side where I'll do the same. I will add 1 more half double crochet here and 1 half double crochet in each stitch till the end, where I'll do 2 half double crochet. So 1 more half double crochet over here, and 1 half double crochet in every chain. So 1, this is the last chain, and 1 more, and what I'll do now, I'm not gonna join to start the next row. I'm gonna work in spiral, and I'm gonna do my next half double crochet on top of the first one, the one I started over here. Again, 2 half double crochet and 1 half double crochet in every stitch until you get to the corner again where you'll do 2 half double crochet. So basically what you need to do till the end of your work is 2 half double crochet in the corners over here and half double crochet in each stitch till the end of your work. You will notice that for 3-4 rows the work will look flat, but don't worry, as you work along it will get the shape of the case. So continue. I'll continue and I'll meet you once I'm done with this case, and it's as easy as described. So now I have done 4 rows of half double crochet, and from this row, the 5th row, I'm gonna do 1 half double crochet in each stitch till the end of the work. So no more double two half double crochet in the corners, only 1 half double crochet in each corner in every stitch till the end of the work.